nature of roots. Consider a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, it has two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, two real equal roots. And b square minus 4ac less than 0, no real roots. Using this, we can check the nature of the roots in quadratic equation. So, the first question, example 16, find the discriminant of 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0 and hence find the nature of its roots. From this quadratic equation, we can find a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 3. So, what we need is b square minus 4ac. b square is minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 16 minus 24, which is equal to minus 8, which is less than 0. So, b square minus 4ac less than 0. So, that means no real roots. This implies no real roots. So, the question is find the discriminant of 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Hence, find the nature of the roots. So, b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 8, which is less than 0. So, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots. Find the value of k so that they have two equal roots. The first subdivision is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. So, two equal roots is given that two equal roots, we have to find the value of k. The equation, the quadratic equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. From here we can write a is equal to 2, b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. So, b square minus 4ac, it is given that two equal roots. So, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So, here b is k, so k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equal to 0. So, k square minus 24 equal to 0. So, k square is equal to 24, k is equal to plus or minus root of 24. So, which you can write as plus or minus 4 into 6. So, plus or minus 2 root 6. Therefore, the value of k is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. You have to write the final answer again. Here the question is to find the value of k so that the quadratic equation has two equal roots. So, 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0 is given. A is equal to 2, b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. So, two equal roots means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So, k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. Finally, what we got is k square is equal to 24. From that we can write k is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. Next is fourth question from the same exercise, exercise 4.4. Is the following situation possible? If so, find their present ages. It is possible only if it has real roots. That means either b square minus 4ac greater than 0 or b square minus 4ac equal to 0. If it is less than 0, that situation is not possible. So, here it is given that the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years is 48. So, we have to take the first sentence. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. So, let x be the age of the first person, x be the age of the first person in years. So, if x is the age of first person, that is actually the present age of the first person in years. So, it is given that sum of the ages of two friends is 20. So, clearly the age of the other person is 20 minus x. The age of the second person is 20 minus x years. Then 4 years ago, the relation is given as the product of their ages in years is 48. The product of their ages in years is 48. So, we need to get the age of each of this 4 years ago. So, age of the first person. Age of the first person is 4 years ago, it is x minus 4. Then age of the second person, (20 minus x minus 4). So, it is 16 minus x. Then the relation is given. 4 years ago, the product of their ages is 48. So, x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. So, make it as a quadratic equation. So, 16 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. So, what you are getting is minus x square plus 20x minus 112 equal to 0. So, we should make this in the standard form. So, this should be positive. So, for that we have to multiply or divide throughout by negative sign. So, it is x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. Then from here we can write a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20 and c is equal to 112. So, b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 20 square minus 4 into 1 into 112, which is equal to 400 minus 448. So, that is equal to minus 48, it is less than 0. Since b square minus 4ac is less than 0, this situation is not possible. In the question, the sum of the ages of two friends is given as 20. So, we have supposed that x be the present age of the first person. So 20 minus x is the present age of the second person. And in the question it is given that 4 years ago the product of their ages is 48. So 4 years ago the age of the first person is x minus 4 and age of the second person is 20 minus x minus 4. So it has become 16 minus x and product of these two is 48. So finally what we got is x square minus 20 x plus 1 12 equal to 0. So from here we can identify the values of a, b and c. After that we have taken b square minus 4ac, we got this as minus 48 which is less than 0. So the situation is not possible. Next question, same exercise, fifth question. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So, is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter? Perimeter is clearly 2 into L plus B is equal to 80 meter. So, we can take L plus B is equal to 40 meter. So, from here we can write B as 40 minus L. And it is given that the area is 400 meters square. Area means L into B is equal to 400 meters square. So, here we can take L as L itself and B as 40 minus L using this equation 1 is equal to 400 meters square. So, this is 40 L minus L square is equal to 400. So, it is minus L square minus 40 minus L square plus 40 L minus 400 is equal to 0. Then changing the sign throughout, it is L square minus 40 L plus 400 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. L square minus 40L plus 400 is equal to 0. From here we can write A. From here we can write A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 40 and C is equal to 400. So, we have to find B square minus 4AC. If it is possible, we can find the values of L and B. So, first we have to identify whether it is possible or not using B square minus 4AC, that is the discriminant. If the discriminant is greater than 0, it exists, equal to 0, exists. If it is less than 0, that situation is not existing. So, B square minus 4AC minus 40 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 400. So, it is 1600 minus 1600. So, it is equal to 0. Therefore, this equal roots, it is possible. It is possible. After this, we have to find L is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. So, this is 0. So, minus B is 40 divided by A is 1, 40 by 2 and 40 by 2, 2 equal roots, 20 and 20. So, length is 20 meter. Length is equal to 20 meter. And breadth we can find as 40 minus L. So, it is equal to 40 minus 20, that is again equal to 20 meter. So, therefore, the length is equal to 20 meter and the breadth is equal to 20 meter. Homework exercise 4.4, first question, second subdivision and the third question.